Let's take a look at our first option for organizing a compare and contrast essay, which is called the block pattern. The block pattern is usually most appropriate when the elements of comparison and contrast are rather simple, broad, and obvious. The assumption the writer makes when presenting the whole of one subject and then the whole of the other is that his reader will be able to remember the first subject while reading the comparisons and contrasts of the second. Since a complex or extended comparison-contrast would probably be difficult for the reader to remember, we normally use the first method for simple subjects. Compare-contrast writing has a number of things in common with the expository writing that you've done thus far. The first introductory paragraphs are the same. It's only when you get midway into the second paragraph or the first body paragraph that the essay begins to vary. The easiest way to see the structure of a block pattern essay is to look at its outline. As you can see, the first Roman numeral covers all of subject 1, and the second Roman numeral covers all of subject 2. Now, depending on the characteristics or qualities of the subject that you choose to compare and contrast and to discuss, each capital A, B, or C could potentially be a paragraph in and of itself. Remember, the outline does not determine your paragraphs. The amount of detail and your ability to transition and group information within your outline is what determines your paragraphs. Always, always, always follow paragraphing principles. Stay tuned for our next video where we look at the alternating pattern and how you can combine alternating and block together.